Always something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how you get that color out of that color. I guess I should probably do this, huh? Excuse the noise. Everyone's wondering, why'd you do this in the dark? So am I. Alright. First things first. Pick up both shingles here. And then paint stick. That nice high up there. Get that lift. Get this nail. I don't know if you guys can see it. Get that guy down and out of the way. So the way we do that is we use this hammer on top and this hammer to drive it. And now that hole won't take water. Now, the next part, excuse me guys if I'm breathing heavy, but it's because every time I try and do one of these to show, and I do them all nice and smooth on my own, and then when I try and do one of these on film, it freaking always gets jammed up. So let's see if I can do one without any problems. All right, let's get this tile down here. Let's lift this guy up slightly to get the guide in. I'm gonna clear the track on this one. All right, and that's how it's supposed to go. And then take that out, bring it here. Hold this up. Oops, sorry guys, edit. And pull that out. And let that down here. And like it never happened.